Hello there, my name's Lesley Brankin and you may know me as a commercial quilter or for my painted quilts, but I have a secret passion and that is Japanese folded patchwork. It's something I like to do in the evenings or when I'm away on holiday and I absolutely love it. It's very simple and today I'm going to show you a few tricks of the trade so that you can do it with nice neat corners, which is something people have trouble with. Now, what is Japanese folded patchwork for those that don't know? Well, basically you're producing little units like this, little folded units with padding in the middle, and you sew them together to make a quilt. So it might be a quilt, something like this one here. The nice thing about Japanese folded patchwork is as you make these and sew them together, your quilt becomes double-sided. You don't have to go away and sandwich it and quilt it afterwards, it's already done. And with a little bit of ingenuity, you can actually get different patterns on one side to the other side, and I'll tell you just a little bit about that later on.